Hey everyone, Kyle here, AA0Z. Welcome to the channel and the last update for Missouri QSO Party we are going to have before we start. We are less than 24 hours away. I am recording this at 1 p.m. on Friday afternoon and want to give you guys some updates on what's going on and some things to think about. Also do a update on the weather. Some portables. I'm going to give you a list of portables and mobiles and a whole bunch of other stuff. So let's get into it. First, I want to talk about some of you have not declared your counties in the map. If you go to the Missouri QSO Party homepage, we want you guys to declare your counties. If you click on the Missouri QSO map here, you can come in here and put your mobiles in and your portable activations. Even if you're fixed, we want you to put your information in here because we want to know where you're at. If you haven't put in your activation, please do so. That is an important part of the QSO Party. If you are looking for a list of all of the counties that are going to be activated and who is going to be activating them, there's this tabular view that you can go out and take a look at. I know that it's probably not in the greatest format, but we're going to work on that next year to give you guys a better consolidated list. So my friend Connor has put together a list of all of the mobiles and portables that have shown up so far on this tabular view. They're on the screen here. I will put them in the show notes below if you want to copy them. But thanks to Connor, KD9LSV, for compiling this list. I just discovered, maybe you knew about this, but I just discovered that North Dakota is going to have their QSO party next or this weekend too. So we've got New Mexico, we've got Missouri, we've got Georgia, and we've got North Dakota. Hopefully everyone will get those states in your log. So we have 4 hours reprieve from the Georgia QSO party. So get your contacts in for those 4 hours, 1 p.m. New Mexico starts at 2, which is 9 a.m., and North Dakota QSO Party starts at 6. So sounds like everything's going to start at 1 p.m. for Georgia and North Dakota. So wanted to bring that to your attention. If you see the bands magically packed at 1 p.m., you'll know why. A few updates on, let me go back to the homepage here. A few updates on W0MA. They are going to be full-time. N0SSC has gotten a ton of people to come up to W0MA, so you should hear them on the air. I think that they've got a CW operator, or maybe even two that are going to be on the air. They are going to also be on single sideband, so be looking for them on the bands for the bonus station. Also, K0GQ from Kansas City. I have not talked to them recently, but I did give a presentation to their club, and they have told me that they are going to be on the air. I'm going to remind them in an email later today. So be looking for them. Another update here is this is the Missouri QSO Party Facebook page. A lot of people are posting their activations on where they're going to be. Derek and Mikey are going to be on the air, so take a look at them. They've even updated their QRZ page, their Whiskey Zero Hotel. Also, running CW. If you're going to run CW, we suggest that you guys pick a frequency and keep that frequency as much as you can, or as close to that frequency as you roam from county to county. That will make tracking easier for you. Connor over here put out some suggestions on, 0.37 above the band. So if you want to follow that, that's great. But we ask that you always use the same frequency so you can be tracked. Also, I want to talk about 80 meters at the top of the hour. If you are on single sideband and CW, put a reminder on your clock or your phone to go to 80 meters at the top of the hour. We grab a lot of multipliers, and you can grab a lot of multipliers if you go to 80 meters at the top of the hour. You wouldn't believe how clear it is and what you can hear on 80 meters during the day. Also, reminder of the 80 and 40 meter CW bonus points from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. on each day. So if you make a contact on 80 or 40 meters throughout the day, up to 250 bonus points will be added to your total at the end. All right, let's talk about the spotting page. So if you come up here to links and you come down here to MOQP spotting page, this is where you should be spotting yourself. Looks like EA8AM has completed some test spots. But if you come in here, spotted call, Whiskey Zero Whiskey, and then I'm at 14200. I'm at Crawford, CRA. There I am. And then spot test, and then AA0Z, and I'm going to post that, and there I am. Different colors mean different things. Yellow is less than 6 minutes. Orange is 6 minutes to 25 minutes. And red is 25 minutes to 45 minutes. And green is 45 minutes to 60 minutes. And white. Go ahead and spot yourself there. Don't make this a chat server, but spot yourself often. Spot yourself whenever you get to a new county. If the rates slow down and you feel like nobody knows where you're at, go ahead and spot yourself. Self-spotting is permitted, so I just want to make sure that everyone knows how to get to the spotting page. The APRS Tracker is neat. So this is a tracker. If you put APRS Droid or APRS TX on your phone and put MOQP in the comment section, you can turn on tracking and it will spot you. It will show you here. It won't spot you. So you got to go back into the spotting page and spot yourself on the clusters and the Missouri QSO Party spotting page, but it will show where you're at. And I can demonstrate this by, I can open up APRS Droid as we speak, and I can hit start tracking, and then I can hit start send position, and hopefully the GPS is going to pick me up. And if I refresh my page, yep, there I am, Whiskey Zero Whiskey -5. And I just got posted on the APRS page in real time. Now, I've got some questions about if you're a 1x1 and you want to track yourself and be posted here, you need to go out and there's an APRS passcode that you need to generate. There is a website that you can go out and generate the APRS passcode, and if you come over here to links, APRS Tracker, and then move your mouse all the way over to using the APRS Live Tracker, go through these instructions, and it will show you how to generate this APRS passcode. So all you have to do is click on here, and it's going to bring you to the generator. You type in Whiskey Zero Whiskey, and then generate passcode, and it's going to tell you what the passcode is, and then you enter that into your tracker software to basically say that you're not a bot. So that's how that works. Okay, the next thing I want to talk about is the weather. I know that the weather can be a factor in roaming and portables and everyone's general attitude about the weekend. So let's go through the latest weather forecast for the weekend. What you're looking at here is tropical tidbits. This is the GFS model for the southern part of the United States. Missouri is right here. And then over here on the right-hand side is the forecast. You can see forecast time local. So this is at 7 a.m. April 11th. This is number 24 here. And these forecasts, if you want to go out here and take a look, these forecasts are updated, I think, every 4 to 6 hours. So here we are on 24. If I click on 30, which is 1 p.m. on April 11th, you can see storms starting to creep into the western part of Missouri. Here is 7 p.m. on April 11th. Mostly all Missouri is under heavy rain or at least spotty showers. By 1 a.m. on the 12th, they seem to dissipate a little bit, but you know the QSO party is over for Saturday. Here is 7 a.m. on April 12th. You can see a line of showers coming in. On 1 p.m., we're right in the middle of Sunday here. We've got the western part and the northern part all under showers. And then as we get into 7 p.m., that front or that line of showers continues through Missouri. So I think that it's going to be a wet weekend the whole weekend. I hope that doesn't deter anybody on getting out there and running mobile or portable. You know, watch your low water crosses and your bridges and your gravel roads that you're going down to get to those county lines. Just be careful. That's what I ask. So I think that is all that I have. Again, we're trying to make sure that everyone gets their activations in. Hopefully that map will keep true as the weather rolls through Missouri. But that is all that I've got for the update. If I have any big updates or whatnot, please go to the Facebook page and take a look at that. On, every 3 or 4 hours, I'm posting updates over there. And if I have big updates, I'll come back and do a video update and update everything that I see. So thanks for hanging out, and I hope everyone makes a ton of Qs. We will be back after the QSO party is done for my recap and to show you how to update or how to upload your log. I'll show you how to do that. And that is about it. Thanks, guys. Hope to work you on the air. This is AA0Z/Whiskey 0 Whiskey 73.